trigonometric. In trigonometric identities, the basic thing is sine, cos, tan. And then other three you have as cosecant, secant, cot. Now from this you can tell the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. For cos it is sine. For tan it is cot. So you can write cosecant as like perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. So now if this both get cancelled, what you have? Perpendicular by base. So perpendicular and base is tan theta only, no? So you can write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. So cot theta in what form you can write? Cos theta by sin theta. Because if you are reversing this, like whole divided by 1. So if you are writing sin theta by cos theta, if cos goes top, it will become cos theta by sin theta. So these are the basic identities which you have. And then you have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is your first identity. After that, you have 1 plus tan square theta is equals to basic three formulas which you have in trigonometric ratios. Now remaining all the things you guys know how to do it. Now how will you prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1? Now if you are taking this, now what is this sin theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So AB by AC, the whole square, plus Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now what you have here, AB plus BC whole square only. That is nothing but AB square and BC square itself. So now this is nothing but AC square only, no? So this is AC by AC only, right? So if both will get cancelled, you will have 1 square. That is nothing but 1. So you can prove this. Yes. Understood?